this chive. Mixing onion. We're gonna cut this later, but we're gonna put this in the dumpling filling with the meat. Oh, I like this. I like this thing. It's cute. It's very Asian. Here. It's gonna go in town. I don't think we can eat this. Now all the ingredients, we have pork, we have the skin right here, we have chive, green onions, and then we have this juice. Now this salt's gonna take all the water out of the pork, and we're gonna replace it with this special water that we made. So this green onion, pickle, spice, and ginger, and water. So we're gonna replace that. We're gonna put it in there, and this meat is gonna soak all this up because the salts took out all the water here. And after that, we're gonna pour some actually hot oil to use the oil to like kind of lock all the pork flavor here, so it won't come out. That's what I see on YouTube. And pour it like poquito. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's too much. Okay. Wait, but honestly, it will like kind of soak it up. It will kind of like, the meat is just gonna like soak in the juice we made, and it's gonna taste like, it's gonna have a taste of pickle spice, ginger, and green onion without those things in it, you know. And then we'll just like have them sit a little. See, it's already kind of dry, you know. And we just kind of gotta sit a little. Well, we got in Chinatown. We're already ate too. I think our hot oil is ready, and then I see online they make this hot oil, and they just pour it. Oh my god, it's really hot. Ah! Oh my god, the meat is literally like being cooked. Cooking while holding a camera is crazy. Yeah. You put some of these here. Some of these green onions and chive. Here. Oh, that's a lot. You kind of want to mix them. Well, oil's kind of hot. Mix them and grab some. You definitely need more chive.
Yeah.
You definitely need more chive.
The secret to this is not to wash your hands.
Yeah. So the Asian flavor is all in here, right? Put sesame oil, soy sauce, white pepper. White pepper is kind of like secret ingredient. And you mix them all together. H.
Ta-da! An H. That was easy as fuck.
Hey!
Trying to make it bigger.
This is pretty plate. That's ugly plate. I'm trying to into this. This one's prettiest. This one's our favorite kids. Her name's Maria. She's gonna be...
What's her name?
Andrea.
Oh.
She's not like the basic girl. See? She's kind of ugly.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry. Andrea.
Mines are fucking.
Oh, those are pretty. What's their last name?
They're
Rodriguez.
Rodriguez?
See,
Okay.
the family of Rodriguez. They're all circle.
Wait, how come you came with a last name? My
This is
cousin.
a family.
My cousin is last name is Rodriguez.
Oh, this is pretty. Okay, what? Andrea, Maria, Bob, Daniela,
Camila.
Camille. See, family of Rodriguez. Put it. This is ugly. This is an ugly family.
Shut the fuck up.
This kid, nobody wanted. Just now. Some glue and some water. Connect them. I think we need to make them flat. Make them flat. Like that? I have way more meat.
There's a lot of meat there.
That's too much?
Don't break.
But I make them flat, you know? Okay. Okay. He's gonna break. Wow, I've never seen this. No! It's breaking. That's cute. Put the bonfire. I think what we do, we had to add some water and steam it. We should add water and really quickly close that. I have this Mexican style. Oh, I like that. Okay, that's it. So we made like lots of ugly ones.
And big huge.
This was a flour turned out. But that's it. The meat tastes good. I would say that you guys can just make it at home, and then all these ingredients are super easy to get.
They're easy to get and it's flavorful.
Even a Mexican make it.
I can
I
make
think you
it
make
if
it
I can
better
make
than
it.
me.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So, but try it and let us know how it tastes. Okay.